Alright, so what you can see that I've done, I've lined these three up, and then I put a bolt in there, and a bolt in there, and I tightened it up. And I drilled a hole in the frame. Here's the coupon. And this one shows just a little bit that needs to be drilled out. So this top part goes underneath the frame, so it'll slide in. So when I'm done drilling these holes out for the crush tubes, I will move this thing, the box, down to the lower side and lay them out the same way I did these. And then I will put the bolts back in and tighten them up the best I can, and then take the hole saw and drill out the holes underneath the frame, which is going to kind of suck, but these holes are 1 1/8 inches, and if I'm not mistaken, but I used an 1 3/16 inches hole saw, and it shaved off a little bit of the actual box tube from Team 321, but I don't think it's going to be enough to matter. And what I'm going to try to do right here is just kind of angle it just a hair, go real slow, and try to just get that little bit of a lip out and go from there.